Hello, fellow knights, and welcome to a rainy day commentary. Yeah, it's pissing outside, and I really
The control point is being
don't
contested.
want to deal with that. So, we're just gonna go ahead and, whoa! Okay, that's a lot of people. We're just gonna play some TF2, chill out. Alright, there's a lot of people over there. A lot of things I don't want to deal with. I'm gonna die. I'm not. Fuck nice shot. Jesus, that was a good shot, actually. That was a seriously nice shot. Jesus. That actually legitimately scared me. Alright, let's go. I'm using my strange loadout today. I actually like the winger. I'm like one of the few people that like the winger. Although the smaller clip size does kind of get to me. What are you doing? Hi. Hi. I'm gonna bat you. Hi. I batted him. You did nothing for me. You just kind of sat there and watched me. You're just like, what the fuck are you doing, bro? What are you doing? That's not how you play the game. Don't take my health. Alright, there's a soldier incoming. Shigadova. I sound like a baby. Excuse me, sir. Get off. What? Jesus, I'm just a terrible shot. I jumped at him. What is wrong with me? I fucking jumped at him. Alright, let's play some pyro while I move my hair out of my face. Put my headset back on. Come on. Thank you. We don't have an NG, alright? I want medic. I don't want to go medic. We need an NG. Usually, whenever I go NG, I end up insta-dying. Let's go with the rest of your ranger. I'm not a medic, but I will put down a dispenser for you right after I set this. I don't know the good sentry spots like that. Yeah, I hear you. I'm just setting up a fucking dispenser right now.
Dispenser going up.
Alright, so.
Not too bad.
Oh boy. Alright.
There wasn't getting any right.
There you go.
Plant yourself in that darn point, mister. I'm moving this.
Ow. I just went really quiet there. I was... That was full tryhard mode. But, I mean, if that pyro hadn't have popped over and I hadn't have died instantly, we probably would have kept it for a while. And I'm not an Uncle Dane. I'm not very good at this. I'm a tryhard scum. I'm also tryhard, but you know what? I don't really care. Let's go ahead. The warrior spirit. I don't have the KGB. Alright, well, let's get out my panhandle. Well, I do have the KGB. I just don't have the fucking thing. You know what I mean. That one thing. Why is the fucking... Is that the spread of this thing? If so, that's actually a lot smaller than I imagined.
Alert. The control point is being captured.
Oh, get the mid. I'll let him cap mid. I'm adjusting my hair yet again. I have really long hair and it bothers me. What are you doing? What? Who just... Alright. It appears that he's slightly used to the game. Hello. You are dead. You are dead. Spy. Spy.
Medic is spy.
The medic is not spy. Dude has my hat. Dude has my pyro hat. Oh shit, we already have mid capped. I'm retarded. Gustavo Dolero. Oh, yeah, hello. Why'd you pop it? Okay. Alright, we just gotta push in. Push it, push it, push it. Come on. Come around the corner. I know you're coming in from behind. And you're not being sneaky.
Alert. Our control point has been captured.
I don't have any ammo. I'm just gonna run away. Get the ammo. The ammo. Okay.
You're my good team.
It don't make good. And I'm dead. Someone burn the shit out of that pyro, please. Pyro? Spy. You did. Thank you. Yeah, thank you. Yeah, I'm the only heavy. Alright. I'll stay heavy, man. High five? I mean, if you have the taunt, I'll give you a high five. I could really go for a cheese sandwich right now. I'm gonna do that after I make one of these videos.
Thank you, Doctor.
After I complete this, I'm gonna go make myself a cheese sandwich. I'm gonna do it. You just fucking watch me. Hello. Fucking hit him, hit him. Thank you. Yes, cap it. Cap it. No, you didn't cap it. Damn it. Okay, we have two heavies. I can switch now. Do I really need to? Alright, well, looks like I'm playing Scout. The damn thing. No! No! Our medic! No! That's bad. We needed that. You know, if I could aim, this would be great. I've been playing a lot of TR Walkway, but my aim seems to... It seems to be the same. I'm just gonna run away. What are you doing? Ah, my nose! Is that lag or was that a spy? I'm just gonna take that 5 health because every health point could mean life or death in this game. Just know that. It's quite obvious because I've learned that the hard way. That every health point matters. So if you have 124, there could be just a stray arrow coming at you and do exactly 124 damage. I'm just running around like an idiot right now. But yeah, it could do exactly 124 damage and just you wouldn't know. There you go. But if you have 125 health, you'd have that 1 health and you can run. And go get a health kit, like a medium health kit. Or a small one even. Ow! You dick! Where is it?
That was teamwork for sure.
That was teamwork. Thank you, Jeremy.
Incoming!
No, you don't. Did... Wow, I have a 2-kill streak. Oh my god. And we won! Cool. Well then. Hello. I'm just gonna taunt. Alright. So, the bat is actually, it crits a lot because it's a melee weapon. Melee weapons tend to crit excessively. Especially the pan. The pan, you have like a 50% crit chance. It just always. Not really, it's more like 30%, but still, that's a whole lot of crit. So, I don't really know the math, but let's just start capping it. If I see something that I don't really want to deal with, I'm out of here. Alright, there's a single scout up there. Yeah, he's just one scout. And yeah, let's cap it. Let's cap it. Let's cap it. Alright, he has it.
We have captured the control point.
Okay, mini crit. Now that wasn't a mini crit from you. See you later.
Scout, what do you think you're doing, boy?
Alright, that guy has a reserve shooter. Oh. Alright, yeah, you need to help more. If I had milk, I would throw it on you, but I don't.
We can secure
That kind, you are not a spy. Well, you are a spy, just not an spy. Did I take your health? I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. I mean, that's a level 3 sentry. I'll just pick it up. See you later. Oh! Wow, I actually top scored. I tend to like Cold Front. I mean, it's one of my more favorited maps. Favorited. Yeah? Yeah. I swear, if my mic isn't recording, I'm gonna be very, very angry. Not really. I mean, it's just, what, 11 minutes of commentary so far? 11 and a half, yeah. So I'm not too worried about it if it isn't recording, and if it is, then that's cool. Just get on. Oh, okay, that's a gamer. That's a real gamer. I'm just not even gonna deal with it. Are you really shooting at me with a pistol? What's wrong with you? I did the whole 9 damage to that guy. He's a free-to-play sniper. He doesn't even care. He's just like, oh, 100 damage? That doesn't matter. I can live for longer. This guy's, yeah, he's gonna get decimated. Kinda figured. I need that one extra shot. There you go. Back up.
Alert. The control point is being contested.
Get him off that point. Get him off that point. Okay, that's a flog pyro. Floggy pyro. Ow. Dick. I'm not going that way. And
We
okay.
have lost the alert. Our control point is being captured. You failed.
Okay. Oh, man. Oh, I love my kill button. Something I'm sore loser is just I don't like watching myself get helplessly killed. I hate that. I don't like it. I never have liked it. So, we need a medic. I'm gonna go medic. Let me take that off. Take that off. No, let's put that back on. Put that back on. Put my party hat on. And put that on. There we go. I look pretty great. The syringe gun, the regular syringe gun, I actually like. And it's, I mean, the Blut Sauger is amazing. Probably the best syringe gun. But some situations, you just gotta use the regular syringe gun.
Alert. The control point is being contested.
Here, I'll pocket you. Just go in. Just charge it. Charge it. You got the heals. Alright, bye. And I'm dead. Wow. It's like a Pikachu hat.
We have lost the control point.
Let's go find a new server. Okay, and we're in. And I'm on blue once again, so let's go medic. I didn't guess I'm gonna be. No, I just want to play the medic. Medic. Hello. You're a spy. No, you're not. No. There you go, you have shield. He's dead. Danka. I'll give you the heals and the... Okay, I have the heals. Alright, you're just gonna camp there. Come on, no. Go! Let's go. It's probably a sentry. There's not, actually. Oh, surprisingly. There's usually like 30 sentries deployed right here. Usually. That guy almost got a ton kill. Oh, come on. I'm just gonna get the heals. You're not gonna get someone that way, mate.
Nos weiter!
Was weiter? I don't speak German at all. I'm terrible.
Thank you.
Thank you. Yeah, there you go. Haha. That was perfect. That was perfect. Alright, let's go. Whoa, okay, that guy's crazy. Damn. I am a not very good medic. I mean, yeah. Damn. So, how many idle people do we actually have?
Get the help, bro. What do you need?
Let me go check. Oh, we have a guy that has a beard. who gets away with that? Oh. Are you a spy? No, you're not. You're not a spy. You're a little bit late on that shot, mate. So we're gonna be jumping across here. That was disgusting. Why did I do that? I am a terrible scout. That guy's a spy. That guy has to be.
Snake boy! I
Where
want
am I
that
going?
katana!
You're a spy. That guy's a spy. I knew it.
Ow!
I don't believe that. They are fucked. You're not a spy. That guy's annoying me. Ow! Fuck! Direct hit rocket. God damn it! I'm just doing very terrible. Let's go ahead and mute that guy. What's that guy's name? What is that guy's name? I am using Star's HUD. Star's Brossel HUD. Brossel HUD? I don't know how you say it. I am using it. He almost nailed that guy in the face. If I spawn over here, I'll probably take care of him. Yeah, I'm going to take care of him.
Yeah, thank you.
Gotcha.
See that pyro?
Welcome. First, I fucking put you up. Because that guy
Yeah,
is a
see-
spawn camping dick. You're a spy. No, you don't. That guy's gonna die. He will die.
Get the guy who has the invisibility!
That is...
Oh my freaking god.
There's a spy around here. Come on. Spy. There he is. There he is. There he is. He's leading us on a wild goose chase. And this is this really gonna be the majority of it? Us just chasing a spy? Hi! Cool.
Hey Snake boy, I need to tell you something. Okay.
My name is Generic Lennyface. It's a generic name. Most of the Steam names now have that Lennyface in there. Yeah, I'm not a spy. I'm gonna go ahead and go this way now.
I already got him, Snake boy. It was heavy. I already got
Mr.
him.
Colton, you are quite the annoying one.
I think I double man, but he's not yours.
If I could chase him. Thank you.
Soldier, are you kidding me?
Jesus.
Soldier, really? I can't lose. I can't.
I can... I'm coming! Alright, I gotta meet that guy. Where's my meat button? There it is. Mr. Colton. Gonna have to shut you up. I'm being healed by Randy Bobandy. Randy! Hi. Gotcha. And...
Oh, you're in sniper nest.
Ow, damn
Anyway,
it.
you got him.
I am a... if I had waited at least a second, I would have lived. Yeah, my ears are itchy. My ears are itchy. Said one more life. One more life and then we
What
can...
would you trade the beard for?
Get
That's
this.
stand.
One more life. Rainy day commentary. Since it's gonna be a lot of rain throughout the week, there's probably gonna be a few of these. Oh man.
Oh god, I'm out of here.
Hi. What is this guy doing?
Healing or not?
Medic, I could really use your help. No, it's fine. Is the medic up here? Alright, fine. I'll just use this guy's stuff. I'll give it to the heals. I know I'm wasting time. I know pro players are like, what the fuck are you going, man? Why aren't you rushing out there? I just want to mess around and I want to chill. I just want to chillax. I want to keep it cool. Yeah, I'm not good. I don't know how many times you're going to check me, but I'm not a guy. Thank you. Oh shit, he has an Uber. Go heal him. Yeah, heal that guy. Give him the Uber. Oh man, he got decimated.
Right next to Dell. Fire.
I'm feeling that there is in fact. Holy fucking rotate on the medics Uber. Okay, I'm just gonna charge it. We gotta go. We gotta go in. We gotta charge in. That's a sentry! Alright, so like I no doubt fucking saw me get decimated. Yeah, there you go. The same.
I don't know.
Oh my god. Oh man. Alright, well I guess that was my last life. And we'll end on that note. That NG getting decimated and that guy's talking. So, we're just gonna end it here with my pyro hat tonight. I have an elf hat Han Solo. No, I have an elf hat on. And I'm gonna go work in Santa's toy shop now and go make a whole bunch of toys for Teddy. No, but in all reality, thank you for watching. If you like this, leave me a like, let me know if we can keep creating content like this. If you didn't like this, leave a dislike. I get the idea. Generic outro, like, subscribe, favorite, I don't know, become a knight today. I told you I would.